Welcome to my channel, where we explore the most extraordinary motorhomes redefining the meaning of travel luxury. Today, I'm taking you inside something that's making waves everywhere. The 2026 KIA RV, a $500,000 masterpiece on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel, a futuristic home, and a bold statement of KIA's vision for the future. If you thought KIA was only about SUVs and compact cars, get ready, because this motorhome is going to completely blow your mind. The 2026 KIA RV is a trending sensation in the motorhome world, and for good reason. It blends elegant design, advanced technology, and jaw-dropping luxury into a single rolling palace. From the moment you see it, the exterior styling feels futuristic yet classy, standing tall with sleek curves and LED accents that make it look more like a luxury yacht than an RV. The interior is a world of comfort, crafted with premium materials and layouts that maximize every inch of space. It's designed not just for travel, but for living. A true luxury residence on wheels that commands attention on every road it rolls on. Step into the kitchen, and you'll see why this RV feels like a dream home. KIA has spared no detail in creating a space that's both practical and luxurious. Stainless steel appliances shine against modern cabinetry, while the countertop extends into a full prep area that feels like something out of a chef's playbook. There's a smart fridge, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and even a hidden dishwasher. Every inch is optimized for convenience, making it possible to cook anything from a quick snack to a gourmet dinner while traveling. The lighting above the counters adds a warm glow, turning the kitchen into a centerpiece of comfort. Next is the bedroom, the sanctuary of this motorhome. Imagine stepping into a space that rivals a luxury hotel suite. The centerpiece is a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, surrounded by ambient lighting that you can adjust with a touch. Large windows provide panoramic views, but come with automatic blinds for privacy at the press of a button. Clever storage is built seamlessly into the walls and under the bed, giving you space without clutter. The design feels both minimal and indulgent, making sure that wherever you park, you sleep like royalty. Of course, luxury wouldn't be complete without the bathrooms, and the 2026 KIA RV does not disappoint. Step inside and you'll find marble finish walls, rainfall showers, and smart mirrors that light up with touch controls. The sinks are elegantly sculpted. The storage is hidden but accessible, and even the toilet has advanced features. Every element is designed to make you feel like you're in a high-end spa rather than an RV. This is where comfort meets class, proving that motorhomes can be just as glamorous as any luxury penthouse. Now, let's take a second round because the magic of the KIA RV deserves more detail. Once again, the 2026 model is not just a vehicle, but a revolution in motorhome design. It's setting trends with its futuristic build and unmatched comfort, making it one of the most talked about RVs in 2026. People everywhere are calling it the ultimate home on wheels, and it's easy to see why when you experience its blend of innovation and luxury. Back in the kitchen, the technology integration really shines. Voice-controlled appliances, touchscreen panels, and energy-efficient systems make cooking both futuristic and effortless. Even the ventilation and temperature controls are automated, so no matter where you travel, mountains, deserts, or coastal highways, the kitchen stays cool, functional, and inspiring. It's proof that KIA has thought of everything for modern travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort. In the bedroom, comfort pairs beautifully with design. The second highlight is the entertainment system built into the walls, offering surround sound and a retractable smart TV right in front of the bed. Imagine watching movies under the stars, all from the comfort of a luxurious bed. Add to that the customizable lighting scenes, relax, sleep, or energize, and this bedroom becomes a retreat that makes you forget you're in a moving vehicle. Moving to the bathrooms again, the wow factor is undeniable. KIA has gone all out to create an environment where every shower feels like a spa session. Heated floors, aromatherapy shower options, and even a digital panel to control water temperature and lighting make this space feel futuristic. The elegance of stone-like finishes and chrome details bring it all together, leaving you refreshed every single time. Finally, the 2026 KIA RV is without a doubt one of the most trending motorhomes of this year. With its $500,000 price tag, it promises exclusivity, luxury, and performance like never before. It's not just about traveling, it's about living the dream on the open road, carrying a luxury home wherever you go. This motorhome redefines freedom, comfort, and class in ways that no other RV has before. So what do you think? Would you spend $500,000 on the 2026 KIA RV, the ultimate luxury home on wheels? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.